Join ninZaFamily. Download free indicators, settings, and chat live with pro traders.
Today we're taking a look at the Evola oscillator, a volatility-based indicator. Unlike traditional indicators that try to predict market direction, the Evola oscillator focuses on something different: market volatility cycles. Its goal is to help traders identify when the market is transitioning from quiet consolidation into a potential expansion move. The lower shaded area represents compression. This is when the market is quiet, price ranges are tight, and volatility is low. During compression, the market is essentially building pressure. Think of it like a spring being compressed. The longer it stays compressed, the more energy can build up for a potential move. The upper shaded area represents expansion, when volatility is elevated and price is moving more aggressively. At this stage, the market may already be in motion, so traders often shift from looking for entries to managing positions or watching for signs of exhaustion. Evola oscillator acts like a pressure gauge for the market, helping you identify when conditions may be setting up for the next significant move. Now here is how a signal is generated and why. A signal begins forming during the compression phase. This is when the oscillator moves into the lower shaded zone. In this phase, volatility is low, candles tend to overlap, and price trades in a relatively tight range. This environment often means the market is balancing, with buyers and sellers temporarily in agreement. But historically, these quiet periods tend to be followed by stronger moves once that balance breaks. So Evola isn't just generating random signals. It's highlighting moments where volatility conditions shift, which is when many of the market's most significant moves begin.
All right, so my trading room is now closed. I can focus on this. So I'll be looking for live trades here, and the idea is I'll be specifically looking for long signals. All things being equal, I much rather be long than short despite this retracement down, because as I went over in my trading room, anything above 24,980 is actually bullish. So I hope to see a long signal. So first we have to look for an area of compression, so a zone must be painted to let us know that there is a decrease in volatility, and then expansion when the move happens. Okay, so here we go, we have a zone. So now I'm just waiting for a signal. Like I said, I prefer a long signal.
Order submitted.
Here's a long signal. And I don't think I have to move my stop. Maybe I should below here. This is a better place for a stop. So let's see if I don't if they don't hit my target, I'm gonna move my stop a bit lower.
Target filled.
Here we go. That's one.
Order submitted.
There we go. So
Target filled.
that was quick. I wanted to move my stop below here, but there was no need. All right, so let's keep going. All right, here is a zone. So typical lunchtime trading. All right, so you see no signals though, so it does a decent job of dealing with chop over here. I'm still looking for longs, so happy to see that there were no short signal despite decent sell-off, but still looking for long trades. I still think there is more room to the upside here. So if they give me a long, I hope to grab it.
Order submitted.
There we go. What is a better place for a stop? Don't really see anything really good. Maybe below this.
Target
There we
filled.
go. Didn't even have to worry about it. So, yep, still looking for longs. Here is the move higher. You see the compression area and then the explosive move up. That's what this indicator does. It identifies when there is a decrease in volatility, range bound price action, and then an expansion and price moves out of the range. So pretty good, pretty good. Let's keep going.
Order submitted.
So a little scary. This is taking along into the high of the day. Maybe not ideal, but yeah, just going to try and follow the signals. Oh, so close. So close. Come on, get me. Oh boy. So close. Just want to take it maybe.
Order submitted.
I'm going to take it. I don't like the way they retrace here. Man, really came close. So still got time. 1:30. So I'm going to look for some other opportunity. I mean, really, ideally at this point, I would like some kind of a short. Looks like we are really overdone on the upside.
Order submitted.
All right, so here is another long. Unfortunately, there was a sell-off from this point, just no short signal, but now we have another long. I'm a bit more comfortable with this one, as we are quite a distance away from the high, so that's a bit better. I want to put it maybe here below this swing low, just in case. I should give them this pivot over here. Probably overdoing it. There was no need, I think, to go down so far, but just in case.
Target filled.
Yeah, so this one took some heat. I guess I did need to put my stop below the pivot. It did fine, took some heat, but yeah, this was the last trade for today. Yes, 10 to 2. I mean, probably there was enough time for one more, but we will call it a day here. So thank you for watching. Again, please leave this video a like, look in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Join the NINZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.